LinkedIn is changing the way that business is being done, and here are 21 reasons why you need to be using it. Number 1, it's where your business can connect to other decision makers. Number 2, over 45% of LinkedIn users own a business. Number 3, you can be found on LinkedIn through a search, and it's currently easier to be at the top of that search list than it is to be on the page 1 of a Google search. Placing your phone number at the top of your summary makes it easy for people who Google your name to call you from that search, even if they're not personally using the LinkedIn platform. Number 4, you can display everything good about yourself and your company and speak about your unique offering in a thorough way. Number 5, you can post your resume and increase your job possibilities. Number 6, you can link to your website on your profile and in your postings, increasing the search engine optimization of your web pages. Number 7, you can connect to famous and influential people, especially if you watch who has been looking at your profile. Enjoy conversations with authors and speakers. Number 8, you can receive recommendations from clients and peers. Number 9, you can recommend others and gain relationship value with clients, coworkers, and staff as you do so. Number 10, you can participate in groups with others from your own industry and learn cutting-edge tips for your success. Number 11, you can establish yourself as a thought leader by the things that you post in groups and by the content that you post in articles. Number 12, you can join the groups of your ideal target market and learn more about what they really need and want from you simply by listening in on their discussions. Number 13, in your personal feed on your homepage, you can post marketing pieces, email content, and information about your services that goes to your front line of connections and then is seen again by the second level and occasionally even by the third level of contacts, giving your material huge marketability online. Number 14, it takes 7 to 14 touches to get a sale. LinkedIn allows you to touch your potential client over and over through regular posts. Number 15, you can expand your territory through the locations of your connections. Number 16, your posts can be shared by your first level of connections, making them accessible to the second and third level connections. This can literally bring you business from around the world. We have had calls to join our network from New York City and Europe because they saw us posted so often they thought we were down the street. Number 17, you can gain credibility by being associated with others in your list of connections. Number 18, you can make appointments with connections who are local to you for a coffee. If your business relies on personal meetings, this is a great way to increase your sales. Number 19, LinkedIn now offers advertising, giving your event more reach and offering the ability for immediate response from interested parties. Number 20, you can start a group of your own where you can be the main influence in the group. And number 21, you can identify, find, and connect with people who are your most qualified leads. Learn how to use LinkedIn and other social media channels to increase profits in your business at www.cibntv.ca. Join us for networking and knowledge at the Great Canadian Network, www.cibntv.ca.